Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Ant.
Ant. The ant is carrying a leaf.
Bee.
Bee. The bee is buzzing around the flowers.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. A butterfly landed on my hand.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. The ladybug has red wings with black spots.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. The grasshopper jumps so high.
Beetle.
Beetle. A beetle is crawling on the ground.
Dragonfly.
Dragonfly. The dragonfly flies near the pond.
Mosquito.
Mosquito. The mosquito bit me on my arm.
Housefly.
Housefly. The housefly is sitting on the table.
Spider.
Spider. A spider is spinning a web in the corner.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. The caterpillar is munching on leaves.
Worm.
Worm. The worm wriggles in the soil.
Moth.
Moth. A moth is flying around a light bulb.
Cricket.
Cricket. The cricket is chirping loudly at night.
Firefly.
Firefly. The firefly glows in the dark.
Cockroach.
Cockroach. A cockroach ran across the floor.
Termite.
Termite. Termites eat wood in the house.
Tick.
Tick. Ticks stick to the dog's fur.
Louse.
Louse. Lice can live in your hair.
Flea.
Flea. The flea jumped off the cat.
Stink bug.
Stink bug. The stink bug smells bad.
Hornet.
Hornet. A hornet stung my leg.
Wasp.
Wasp. Wasps make their nests in trees.
Earwig.
Earwig. An earwig crawled under the rock.
Weevil.
Weevil. A weevil is in the grain sack.
Mayfly.
Mayfly. A mayfly has a very short life.
Aphid.
Aphid. Aphids suck sap from plants.
Scorpion.
Scorpion. A scorpion has a dangerous sting.
Cicada.
Cicada. Cicadas make a loud sound in the summer.
Centipede.
Centipede. A centipede has many legs.
Millipede.
Millipede. Millipedes move slowly with many legs.
Silverfish.
Silverfish. Silverfish live in old books and papers.
Dung beetle.
Dung beetle. The dung beetle rolls balls of poop.
Stick insect.
Stick insect. The stick insect looks like a twig.
Leaf insect.
Leaf insect. The leaf insect looks just like a leaf.
Praying mantis.
Praying mantis. The praying mantis folds its arms like praying.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. A bumblebee is big and fluffy.
Tarantula.
Tarantula. A tarantula is a big hairy spider.
Bedbug.
Bedbug. Bedbugs bite when you are asleep.
Fruit fly.
Fruit fly. Fruit flies love rotten fruit.
Horsefly.
Horsefly. A horsefly is bigger than a housefly.
Mosquito hawk.
Mosquito hawk. A mosquito hawk eats mosquitoes.
Black widow.
Black widow. A black widow spider is poisonous.
Carpenter bee.
Carpenter bee. Carpenter bees drill holes in wood.
Butterfly larva.
Butterfly larva. Butterfly larvae grow into butterflies.
Fire ant.
Fire ant. Fire ants bite and cause a burning pain.
Paper wasp.
Paper wasp. Paper wasps build nests out of paper-like material.
Crane fly.
Crane fly. A crane fly looks like a giant mosquito.
Snow flea.
Snow flea. Snow fleas jump on the snow in winter.
Velvet ant.
Velvet ant. A velvet ant is also called a cow killer.
Pillbug.
Pillbug. A pillbug curls up into a ball when touched.
Rove beetle.
Rove beetle. A rove beetle runs fast on the ground.
Leafhopper.
Leaf hopper. Leaf hoppers jump from plant to plant.
Army ant.
Army ant. Army ants march together in big groups.
Water strider.
Water strider. Water striders walk on the surface of water. Thank Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.